1. Which of the following laws states that the strain in a material is directly proportional to the applied stress within the elastic limit? A. Hooke's law. B. Newton's first law. C. Bernoulli's principle. D. Pascal's law. 2. The efficiency of an ideal Carnot engine depends on A. The working substance used. B. The difference in the thermal conductivities of materials. C. The temperatures of the heat source and sink. D. The pressure of the working fluid. Three. In fluid dynamics, the Reynolds number is a dimensionless number that represents A. The ratio of inertial forces to viscous forces. B. The ratio of pressure forces to gravitational forces. C. The ratio of surface tension to viscous forces. D. The ratio of momentum to energy. 4. Which type of welding uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode to produce the weld? A. MIG welding. B. TIG welding. C. Stick welding. D. Submerged arc welding. Five. In a mechanical system, the term degree of freedom refers to A. The amount of rotation allowed. B. The number of independent ways the system can move. C. The flexibility of the system components. D. The number of constraints on the system. 6. In heat transfer, the Stefan-Boltzmann law applies to A. Conduction. B. Convection. C. Radiation. D. Mass transfer. 7. In a Rankine cycle, the purpose of the condenser is to A. Increase the temperature of the working fluid. B. Convert steam into water. C. Increase the pressure of the working fluid. D. Transfer heat to the working fluid. 8. The term creep in materials refers to A. The failure of materials due to repeated loading. B. Slow, time-dependent deformation under constant load. C. Sudden fracture of a material under stress. D. The increase in material hardness due to strain. 9. In gear systems, the gear ratio is defined as A. The ratio of torque transmitted to the output shaft. B. The ratio of the number of teeth on the driven gear to the number of teeth on the driving gear. C. The product of the input and output speeds. D. The difference between the pitch circles of the two gears. (10) The Prandtl number is a dimensionless number that relates A. Inertial forces to viscous forces. B. Thermal diffusivity to momentum diffusivity. C. Frictional forces to thermal forces. D. Heat transfer to fluid flow velocity. (11) In a gas turbine, the Brayton cycle consists of which four processes? A. Isobaric, isothermal, adiabatic, and isochoric. B. Isobaric, isochoric, isothermal, and adiabatic. C. Isentropic compression, isobaric heat addition, isentropic expansion, and isobaric heat rejection. D. Adiabatic expansion, isobaric compression, isothermal expansion, and isobaric heat rejection. (12) Which of the following mechanical properties indicates a material's resistance to deformation and fracture under stress? A. Elasticity. B. Ductility. C. Toughness. D. Hardness. (13) In mechanical vibrations, resonance occurs when A. The damping force is greater than the restoring force. B. The frequency of external excitation matches the system's natural frequency. C. The system is critically damped. D. The natural frequency is lower than the external frequency. (14) The second law of thermodynamics states that A. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. B. All natural processes are reversible. C. Entropy of an isolated system can never decrease. D. The total energy in the universe remains constant. (15) In a cantilever beam subjected to a point load at the free end, where is the maximum bending moment located? A. At the free end. B. At the midpoint of the beam. C. At the point of application of the load. D. At the fixed end. (16) Which material is commonly used in the manufacture of ball bearings due to its high wear resistance? A. Cast iron. B. High carbon steel. C. Aluminum. D. Copper. (17) Which of the following heat exchangers uses the principle of latent heat to transfer energy between fluids? A. Plate heat exchanger. B. Shell and tube heat exchanger. C. Evaporator. D. Radiator. 18. Which type of compressor is commonly used in refrigeration systems for high-pressure applications? A. Reciprocating compressor. B. Centrifugal compressor. C. Rotary vane compressor. D. Scroll compressor. (19) The efficiency of a hydraulic turbine is defined as A. The ratio of mechanical output power to the hydraulic input power. B. The ratio of input energy to output energy. C. The ratio of kinetic energy to potential energy. D. The ratio of work done to heat absorbed. (20) Euler's formula for buckling is applicable to A. Short, thick columns. B. Long, slender column. C. Circular shafts under torsion. D. Beams subjected to shear forces. (21) In mechanical drawing, the orthographic projection is A. A three-dimensional representation of an object. B. A two-dimensional representation of an object from different angles. C. A perspective view of an object. D. A pictorial drawing showing an object's features. (22) In a belt drive system, the belt slip refers to A. The speed difference between the driver and the driven pulley. B. The elongation of the belt under load. C. The contact area between the belt and the pulley. D. The friction between the belt and the pulley. (23) The strain energy stored in a body due to deformation is called A. Potential energy. B. Kinetic energy. C. Elastic energy. D. Internal energy. (24) Which of the following methods is used to determine the hardness of a material? A. Tensile test. B. Charpy test. C. Brinell test. D. Fatigue test. (25) In a two-stroke engine, how many revolutions of the crankshaft are required to complete one power stroke? A. 1. B. 2. C. 4. D. 3. (26) In mechanical design, fatigue failure is most likely to occur in A. Components subjected to static loads. B. Components subjected to cyclic or fluctuating loads. C. Components with low tensile strength. D. Components subjected to high impact loads. 27. In a thermal power plant, the function of a superheater is to A. Remove moisture from the steam. B. Increase the temperature of the steam. C. Increase the pressure of the steam. D. Reheat the condensed water. (28) The Morse circle is used to determine A. Stress and strain distributions in beams. B. Principal stresses and shear stresses. C. Stress concentration factors. D. Load distribution in frames. (29) Which of the following mechanisms is responsible for the operation of a hydraulic press? A. Pascal's law. B. Bernoulli's principle. C. Newton's second law. D. Euler's equation. (30) In the context of manufacturing, which of the following processes is used to join two metals by heating them to their melting point and adding a filler material? A. Brazing. B. Soldering. C. Welding. D. Riveting. Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering. A Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering is a comprehensive undergraduate program that focuses on the design, analysis, manufacturing, and maintenance of mechanical systems. It covers core areas like thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, materials science, and mechanical design, equipping students with the technical skills to solve complex engineering problems. Graduates are prepared for diverse careers in industries such as automotive, aerospace, energy, and manufacturing, with opportunities for innovation and leadership in engineering projects. A Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering can lead to a variety of careers, including 1. Mechanical engineer. 2. Aerospace engineer. 3. Automotive engineer. 4. Project engineer. 5. Manufacturing engineer. 6. Plant engineer. 7. Energy engineer. 8. Robotics engineer.